Hi dears, welcome to the new topic present tense and its types simple present, present continuous, present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. We will learn more about this. Here are some sentences. He goes to office every morning. The boy plays in the park every day. The earth revolves around the sun. They play football. In all these sentences, verbs are underlined and it is used in simple present tense. So, the simple present tense is used to express a habitual action, custom, routine, or habit. For example, we go to play every day, and it is also used to express general truth like the earth revolves around the sun. This is the universal truth. And simple present tense is also used to express a fact that is true at the time of speaking. For example, there is bright sunshine all around, and it is used to show a future event which is already arranged. For example, the IPL matches begin tomorrow. The simple present tense is also used in exclamatory sentence which begins with here or there and expresses an action currently happening. For example, here comes the queen. There goes the train. The simple present tense is also used in questions with the words do or does. For example, do you swim in the sea very often? Now, let us see how to form simple present tense. When the subject of the sentence is singular, like he, she, or it in third person, and with all other singular subjects, we use subject and the original form of the verb plus s, es, or ies. For example, the girl plays with a toy. And when the subject of the sentence is plural, like we or they, or with other plural subjects, we use subject and the root form of the verb. The girls play with a toy. When I is used, we do not use s, es, or ies to the verb. Here is some points to remember. Verbs change forms according to the time of action. Main verbs are usually words like eat, drink, play, sing, and other action words. And auxiliary verbs are helping verbs like forms of the verbs be. They are is, are, was, and were. And have verbs has, have, had, will have, and shall have. There are action words, action verbs, be verbs, and have verbs. And here are some points to be remembered. The negative sentence in present tense, simple present, is formed with subject and do or does plus not and root form of the verb. For example, the girl does not play with a ball. And for yes or no questions, the interrogative is formed with do or does and the subject and root form of the verb. Does the girl play with a ball?
सबसे अच्छा तरीका बताया क्या? स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर उसमें टाइम भी वेस्ट नहीं होगा.
For questions
आपको
begin
रिकॉर्ड करना है, फिर जहाँ तक बोला उसको
with a question word. For example, why, when, how, what, whose. We write question word and do or does, then subject and root form of the verb. Where does she go for tuition classes? Now next one, present continuous tense. Here are the examples. I am reading a novel. The lady is driving a car. The present continuous tense is used to express an action that is taking place at the time of speaking. It is also used to indicate an action taking place at the present time but not necessarily taking place at the time of speaking. For example, they are constructing an office complex here. It is also used to show an action that is expected to take place in the near future. For example, the children are going on an excursion this Sunday. For a sentence in the present continuous tense, we write am, is, or are and the ing form of the verb. Here are the examples. I am solving a puzzle. The family is enjoying the picnic. They are playing football. Am, is and are plus ing form of the verb. The negative sentence is formed by adding not after the auxiliary verb. That is the helping verbs is, are, was and were. We write subject and is, are, and not, then ing form of the verb. He is not doing the assignment. The interrogative sentence in present continuous tense is formed by interchanging the positions of the subject and the auxiliary verb. For example, is she talking to her friend? Here is, are, and the subject, then ing form of the verb. Is she talking to her friend? Now, how to make ing verb? We usually add ing to the root form of the verb, and if the verb ends with an e, we drop that e and replace ing. And if the verb ends with ie, we change ie into y. With some verbs, we double the last letter like begin, beginning. You can see the examples: ride, riding. E is replaced by ing.
Yeah, Vishnu.
Next one, present perfect tense. The present perfect tense is used to show an action that has just been completed. For example, Rima has just finished her food, and it is used to show an action which started in the past and is still continuing. For example, the monument has stood here for more than 100 years. It expresses the action which took place in the past, but the results of which we can see or feel in the present time. My uncle has got a teaching experience of 3 years. It also shows past events, the time for which is not mentioned. They have known each other for years. Now, how to form present perfect tense. They have performed well in the tournament. She has scored good marks in her English exam. Here we can see have performed and has scored. That means have or has plus past participle form of the verb. Subject then has or have plus past participle of the verb. We often use words like recently, just, already with the present perfect tense if the action has done.
News da. Custom URL मिल गया.
Negative sentences
Custom URL मिल गया.
in present perfect tense
हाँ.
we use have and has
जल्दी
and
आ.
not
इसमें
and
से
the
कौन सी select करूँ?
past participle form of the verb. He has not eaten lunch. In interrogative sentence, have or has plus subject and past participle form of the verb. Has he eaten the lunch? Has or have plus subject then past participle in interrogative sentence. Here you can see the table which shows
Custom URL
simple
मिल गया.
present, present continuous and present perfect tense. How the verb changes according to the
इसमें कौन सा select करूँ?
tenses.
इसमें option है.
I sing, I'm singing, I have sung.
नहीं तो वो तो उसका criteria
They
काम
sing,
करना है,
they
तभी
are
तो मिलेगा.
singing, they have sung.
नहीं इसमें से कोई भी select कर.
फर्स्ट वाला
इसमें
According to
आगे
the
अगर तीन में
subject
ना
and the tense, verb changes.
Terms of use read करूँ?
ना आपके चैनल का नाम है ना डिजिटल लर्निंग एड्यू हब तो बस
Digital learning audio and a suffix of your choosing.
ना क्या है सफिक्स लगाऊं
जो तीन में.
वो है तो कुछ चैनल का नाम लगा
Next one, the
ये
last
यहाँ
one,
दिखेगा
present perfect
youtube.com
continuous
ऐसे
tense.
स्लैश कर
It is used to describe an action which began in the past and is still going on.
तो क्या हुआ
It can be
अगर
used
इसमें
with
आपने डाला
phrases
तो
like
direct आपके
since,
channel पर
for,
आएगा।
long, all day and all week.
बस
For example, the patient has been waiting for the doctor for
सारे
3
links आपकी जितनी
years.
वीडियो हैं, सारे चले।
You can see has been waiting and we have used for.
ये है।
I hope you have enjoyed this session. Thank you for watching.